Released as part of the Star Wars Episode 8 series, LEGO has brought us the Han Solo Landspeeder set. Although I don't think the set was appropriately named. In the very first scene of the movie, we see Han stealing it so he can make his escape. About 5 minutes later, he gets stuck and he ditches it. I think Han Solo's getaway Landspeeder would be more fitting. At only 345 pieces, this will set make an affordable addition to anyone's collection. Despite the low cost, there's a good amount of fun to be had here. For starters, the bottom has 2 sets of well-hidden rollers, allowing the speeder to easily roll over whatever smooth surface you choose to play on, making it easy to pretend it's actually hovering over the ground. While the speeder was never shown to have any armaments in the movie, this set comes with a pair of forward-facing blasters. As to the minifigures, we have a young Han Solo, his love interest Qi'ra, and a Corellian Hound, which is a rather nasty beast that's not known for making a good pet. And finally, under the hood, in addition to the engine, we have some tool and ammunition storage. That's it for this small kit, but I'll have more for you next week. Until then, have a good one. Please like, share, and subscribe.